how it went from that to this. How this 55-gallon aquarium went from this to this here. A quick overview for you guys. Some of you guys said those fish, poor fish, poor fish. Well, that's actually a really natural environment. That tank used to have these goldfish in there, and I do have a video on them. 55-gallon setup, and I show how I set up that tank. And it also used to house this Oscar that you see here. So after those goldfish and that Oscar was in there separately and now into bigger homes, they really did a number on that tank. So then I got these angelfish. I had moved that Oscar out, and it was time to clean them up so I can enjoy them more. And really, all I did was scrape the glass on the tank and then did a small water change, pulling out a little bit of the algae that I could. And after that, like it was probably only a 20% water change. I gave it time. I put the platies in there, which platies absolutely love to eat algae and angelfish. And the reason why I'm showing this to you guys is although that tank was completely filthy, just by what you put in the aquarium makes a big difference on how it will look. So just changing a few things within your aquarium can make it night and day to whether you're having success. Now, if I wanted to make it nice with the goldfish and the Oscars, filter would have worked, or some kind of fish that would have ate up a bit of the food that came through the gills. Because the biggest issues with the goldfish and the Oscars in that aquarium that caused all that havoc was the fact that they throw a lot of debris through their gills as they eat. So that means excessive waste, excessive nutrients, and that's what that algae really, really grew off of. Now things are nice and balanced. It gets no direct sunlight, it's all indirect sunlight, and now it's just a really chill tank. You can see with this no filter setup how chill these angelfish are just kind of hanging out. Now, unless there was food there, which fish, food, they love it. They bark like dogs. But now it's looking beautiful. And just wanted to give you guys a quick recap, quick overview of this aquarium. And if you want to find more out on it, search LRB 55-gallon goldfish aquarium, something like that. There's actually quite a few videos where I showed how this went from straight setup to what it is now today, 3 years later. And you see all that mulm and those rocks. That rock actually used to be just rock. So all that mulm and dirt in there is literally what has happened throughout the years. It's seasons and has created a natural layer of dirt. And now it's a happy, healthy tank. And those people saying, oh, poor fish, you guys, please check out my channel. I'll teach you guys some things, how nature works, and try to make aquariums for you guys a lot easier. And, try to take a lot of the maintenance out of it. I hardly do any maintenance or anything with this tank. In the last 3 years, it may has gotten like 2 or 3 water changes, if that. Now, I do believe you should change your water, especially for fish growth. So take that with a grain of salt. But check out the channel. I do this kind of stuff and like to share.